It's a very simple question. If I pay you a few $100 a month, and your job is to pick up garbage, then why is that there? And then I wind up not paying a bill, and I just thought that I would go over why it is people sometimes who are in business decide that they're not going to pay a bill. So we pay a garbage company a few $100 every month. Yeah, a few $100, and what their job is to do is pretty much come to the store and pick up the garbage and throw it away. So, this here was a neat box. It was a nice, neat box that somebody probably turned into a mobile home. And we had about 2 garbage bags. Now, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, and, you know, some, whatever the fuck all that is over there. And it's just, see, something that I get is that this is why sometimes people don't pay the bill. Because, like, I'm gonna go to my garbage company, I'm gonna say, hey, see this thing over here? See this thing where it says a mail-in penalty? That my Motorola won't focus on because it's a $100 phone? You can just trust me that it's $100. I'm not going to pay that to the garbage company because they fucked me by keeping all that shit in the front of the store. So every now and then you're going to hear these stories about how somebody didn't pay a contractor, and I mean, yeah, sometimes there's a good reason for it.